Back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to change your TikTok region country location. To changing it, it's actually pretty easy. So keep watching the video till the end so you don't miss any part. Let's head over to our TikTok application. So once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the profile icon on the lower right corner. And in here, tap on the three lines on the top right and go to settings and privacy. From here, you will find account on your account section. Head over there. Now go to account information. Now you will find your phone number, email, and account region option. So go to account region. And now you can just choose your account's region or change your country location from here according to your need. You can also search from here, like if you want Belarus, you can find it like this. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.